Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete tweets on your Twitter account. So it is going to be simple and easy step-by-step tutorial video, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go to any browser you want and simply search for twitter.com like I'm doing, this link right over here. And once you have done that, I hope you have signed up and logged in into your Twitter account. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead into your profile. And finally, as you can see, I did a recent tweet to go ahead and teach you guys how to delete it. So as you can see, it says, alright, this is a tutorial. So in order for me to go ahead and delete this tweet, what I want to simply go ahead and do is I want to click on this top right of this tweet. There is going to be a triple dot icon which says more. Just click on that. And as you can see, there is going to be a delete button which is gonna pop up right over here. So just click on delete and it will ask if you want to delete your tweet. As you can see, it says this can't be undone and it will be removed from your profile, the timeline of any account that follows you, and from Twitter search results. So you want to simply go ahead and continue and click on delete. And there you go, that's it. So your tweet is deleted successfully. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.